Alright, so we're given this equation y of x equals 4x squared plus 5 over x squared plus 7, and we want to find the horizontal asymptote. So to do that, we're going to take the limit as x approaches, and we're going to choose, we could choose positive infinity or negative infinity here. I'm going to choose positive infinity because I don't like to deal with negative numbers when I don't have to. So we want to know this limit. And whatever this answer is going to be our horizontal asymptote. So right now we can't just evaluate this limit because we'd have infinity over infinity, which just doesn't work for limits. There's a couple ways we could do this, but for right now what we're going to do is divide each term by x squared. So divide this by x squared, this, and this. Which is something valid you can do as long as you do it to every term in a case like this. So 4x squared divided by x squared is just 4, plus 5 divided by x squared divided by x squared is 1, plus 7 over x squared. And you see now if you plug in infinity, it doesn't change these terms, but rather changes these terms. And 5 over infinity squared, so 5 over infinity is going to be equal to 0, because any constant number over infinity is equal to 0. So this is going to be 0. Same here, 7 over infinity is 0. And so we have the limit as x approaches infinity of y of x is equal to 4 over 1, which is 4. So now we know that our horizontal asymptote is at 4. Asymptote is some kind of line like that. It's a horizontal line. We know it's going to be y equals something. So it's going to be y equals 4, and that's the equation for our horizontal asymptote.